Hey crypto fans, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to give you my realistic long-term price prediction for Shiba Inu's SHIB token. So guys, if you're new to the channel and you enjoy the content that I create, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out and why not. And also guys, feel free to follow me on Twitter here as well. You can find the link to it in the description below the video. I like to talk about altcoins, NFTs, day trading strategies on a daily basis. So if you're into that sort of thing, you might as well go ahead and give me a follow. Now for those of you who are brand new to my channel and this is the first video of mine you've ever watched, I'm a long-term altcoin holder. I've been holding on to various altcoins for about 5 years now, and I continue to search for new long-term positions whenever I can. So, and I do things a little differently than most people, you guys. I don't base my trades, I don't base my long-term positions off of price. I base them off of market cap levels, okay? And hey, I'm not in the red on anything, and I've never been in the red on anything, so I must be doing something right here. So realistically, you guys, we're going to try to figure out what a good long-term price prediction would be for Shiba Inu. Now, here's the other thing, you guys. I'm not a moon boy, okay? So if you're looking for a moon boy prediction, you're not going to get that out of me. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that Shiba Inu is going to go to $10 or anything like that, because that's not realistic, okay? I'm investing with my I'm investing with real money here, and you know, when you're investing with real money, you don't exactly have time to be screwing around with, you know, unrealistic outcomes that are probably never going to happen. So you got to be realistic about this stuff, especially if you're dealing with a lot of big money here. So guys, we're going to try to figure out what a good long-term price prediction would be here. So let me grab my calculator real quick. Let's go ahead and check this out. So Shiba Inu is currently ranked number 15 on CoinMarketCap, and it's currently got, you know, 1.6 million people on its watch list, and it's currently trading for, you know, 23.17 right now at the time of filming this video, and with a market cap of $12.7 billion, you guys. Now, here's the thing about SHIB, okay? This is one of those projects that took off, and nobody ever expected that a project like this would take off like it has. And honestly, it's not going to be the last either. I mean, there's going to be more that are going to take off like this as well. And as we can see here, you guys, you know, ever since its inception, pretty much back, you know, when price data started becoming available in August of 2020, you know, from then all the way up until, you know, April of 2021, it finally took off. I mean, but up until then, it didn't really do much at all. I mean, whoever got in the very beginning and held for the long term, they're doing pretty good right now, honestly. But realistically, you guys, it took off like crazy. It eventually took off like crazy, and it's been doing well ever since. As we can see here, you guys, it does have an all-time high of 88.45, so that's literally like 75% from where it's at right now. And that happened at the end of October of 2021. So we're going to see where a potential, you know, what the potential price could be in the long term based on certain market cap levels. So first I want to see what the market cap was around the time that this happened. Now, obviously, I don't know what the circulating supply was back then, so we're just going to use the current circulating supply right now. But if we take the current long-term price, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, and then 8845. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8845. And we go ahead and multiply that by the circulating supply of 549,063 billion. Okay, so 549 billion. So 1,000 million billion. All right, there we go. And we go equals. So guys, we had roughly a market cap of, holy smokes, roughly a market cap of roughly $48.5 billion, you guys. I mean, this coin really took off back then. And realistically, you guys, long term, I see no reason as to why Shiba Inu can't double that number as time goes on. I mean, realistically, to be brutally honest with you, I see no reason why Shiba Inu can't reach a market cap level of at least $100 billion at some point in time in the long-term future, you guys. Especially considering as more and more money flows into these markets, you know, more money is going to flow into projects like Shiba Inu as, you know, time moves on forward as well. So we're going to see what the potential price would be if it were to reach market cap levels of $100 billion, you guys. All right, so let's see what we got going on here. Obviously, we don't know what the circulating supply is going to be when that happens, so we're just going to use the circulating supply right now. So this may be a little inaccurate, I will say that. And obviously, I'm not a magician. I can't guarantee you anything. I can't give you an exact number, and I'm not saying that it's going to happen, okay? This is just my personal opinion, and I mean, hey, I've been doing this for a while now, and like I said, you guys, I've done good ever since, so I don't see why it wouldn't work now. So guys, we're going to take the circulating supply. All right, 549 billion tokens. We got 549 billion tokens, and we're going to just start multiplying and see what we get. So realistically, you guys here, we're going to try to shave a 0 off of this and put a 1 instead, okay? So we're going to have 3 zeros and then a 1. So times 0.0001, and then we've got a market cap of $54.9 billion. Or sorry, 1,000 million. Wait, what? No, that can't be right. Hold on, did I do that wrong? I must have done something wrong here. Okay, so we've got circulating supply of 549 billion. This is what sucks. This is the hard thing about, doing price prediction videos with projects that have prices with, all kinds of zeros in them. It just makes things much harder. So we got 549 billion. So that's billion. 1,000, million, billion. Yeah, that's billion, right? Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and multiply it by, let's see here. We want to see if it can have a, 3 zeros and then a 1 in front of it instead. So 3 zeros and then a 1, which would be times 0.0001. $54.9 million. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. There's something I'm doing wrong here that I'm not figuring out here. Hang on just a minute here, you guys. Sorry about this. This is just weird. I hate doing stuff like this with projects like this that have, prices like this. This is personally why I've never personally invested into projects like this before. Because they're just a pain in the ass to deal with. And then we'll go ahead and multiply it by the current price real quick. So we're going to see where this comes out. 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 zeros, and then 2, 3, 1, 3. We get a market cap of roughly 12.6 billion. Something's not right there. What am I doing wrong here? 12.6 million. It's not 12.6 million. It's got to be 12.6 billion, not million. What am I missing here? I think what I'm missing here, you guys, is I think that CoinMarketCap is messing this up. CoinMarketCap has got to be messing this up because there's no way that this is billion, but they have a B here. You guys can see that clear as day, right? This is a B. That stands for billion. So 1,000 million, billion. Okay, there's the problem, you guys. The circulating supply is 549 trillion, not billion. So that's what's going on here. That's why my numbers are screwing up here, because they put a B. For some reason, CoinMarketCap has a B here instead of a T, and that should be a T for trillion, not billion. So that's kind of what's messing me up here. All right, so that makes sense. All right, so we're going to go to 549 trillion. So 549 trillion, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is such a big number. I hate big numbers like that. And guys, we're going to go ahead and multiply it by, so 3 zeros and then a 1, 5, okay? So times 0.12315. And we get a market cap of $82.3 billion, you guys. So we're still a little lower than what we want to be, so we'll try 0.00018. So we'll take 549 trillion dollars, or coins, sorry, 1,000 million, billion, trillion. And we're going to go ahead and multiply by 0.00018. And we get $98.8 billion. Okay, guys, I think that's pretty much the closest that we're going to get to my long-term price prediction of, or my long-term market cap prediction of, $100 billion in the long term. So for the sake of this video, you guys, my long-term price prediction for Shiba Inu is going to be 0.00018. Okay, guys. Now, I like to see what a good return on our investment would be if we were to invest in it today and hold on to it for the long term if it were to reach these levels, okay? So we're going to figure this out. Usually when I like to buy into a long-term position, if the funds are available, I usually like to start out with $10,000. So we'll take $10,000 and we'll go ahead and divide that by 0.00002314. And we get roughly 432,000 tokens, okay? So we will take our 42,000, forget it, 40. See, this is the problem with the big numbers, you guys. This is the big problem with big numbers. You get so confused here. Okay, so we're going to do that again because I'm already lost here. $10,000 divided by 0.0002316. 431,778. Okay, so 431,778 0.000. That's how many tokens you're going to have, okay? With $10,000, that's how many tokens you're going to get if you were to buy right now, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and multiply it by what my long-term price prediction. So we'll take 0.00018, and we come out with roughly a $67,000 return on your investment, which, guys, honestly, for holding long term and not having to really do much, I mean, you're just buying and holding long term. You're not trading or anything like that and taking risk with trading. You're just buying and holding long term. So if you were to buy now and hold on for the long term until it reaches that, price point or market cap level, I mean, hey, you're going to come out with a good solid $67,000 in, return on your investment, you guys. And realistically, in my personal opinion, that's honestly really not bad at all. I mean, it's really not. It could be worse. There's a lot of other coins out there that don't perform very well at all. And hey, this isn't one of them. So, I mean, this would be a very good long-term, would be a very good long-term project for you if you're looking for something long-term. But overall, you guys, that pretty much does it for this video, though. So I'll go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me on Twitter here with the link in the video description down below. And also, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.